Wanted to take a minute to show everyone a neat little thing I'm doing with some of the products that we sell here at Air Hydropower. What we've got here is a Tolomatic RSA actuator controlled by Tolomatic's ACSI all-in-one servo motor with the built-on Ethernet amplifier, and we've got it wired out to WAGO's Bluetooth Ethernet radios. And across the room I've got a Pro Face unit operating on essentially the other end of the Bluetooth radio, and you can see I've got just some point tables set up. Right now I've got the unit in continuous mode. If you watch the position up here at the top, I'll take it out of point table mode, and you see that it stops on that position. From here I can home it. So this is the Pro Face unit actually controlling the Tolomatic servo motor. And then when we hit just any position within the point table, you can see that it's moving. We're getting motion feedback. And all this done over Ethernet, or Ethernet IP even, to Tolomatic's motor.